Smai, ymarfer y diwrnod heddiw. Today's exercise of the day is 180-degree shooters, wneud 180 gradd. Okay, so ddechrau, rhaid chi mynd mewn i sefyllfa squat, in squat position, with the legs wider than hips, efo'ch coesa fwy llydan na'ch clun y tro yma. Breich eich blaen, arms in front. It's going to be working our leg muscles, core muscles and cardiovascular system. Yn weithio cyrra'r coesa, penol, cyrrau craidd, a hefyd in system cardiovascular. Felly breich eich mlaen, arms in front. You're going to a deep squat, lawr i squat trefn. Wrth yn ôl fyny, as you come up, you're going to throw your arms up in the air. Chi'ch breichio fyny i'r awyr, a troi yn mynd rownd i gwynebu y ffordd arall, and turn to face the other way. I'll try and demonstrate. Okay, I'm going to try and do this sideways on so you can see it better. O'r ochr, chi'n gael weld bach yn well. So, squat llydan, wide squat, breich eich blaen, arms in front, down, jump up, turn around, and repeat. And so on. Try and perform this exercise for 30 seconds. Triwch gwneud ymarfer yma am 30 eiliad. Gorffwys am 15 eiliad. A gael adrodd 4 gwaith. You can rest then for 15 seconds and then repeat 3 to 4 times depending on your ability. Dibynnu ar eich safon. Okay? Mwynewch. Over to you.